Today's video is on this look. It's just like what I do on my like casual everyday when I want to wear makeup. It's like a little bronzy, glowy, cute makeup look. So I'm not gonna ramble too much, and I will list the products in the description box if I don't mention them in the video. Before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Put that bell on so you know whenever I upload. If you want to, you don't have to, but hey. So let's go ahead and get started on this look. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into makeup look I'm gonna be doing today. Hence, that's why I have the eye patches, because I already prepped my skin. But now we're going to go in with my primers that I like to use. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. All over me face. I'm just gonna let that sit for a second. The next primer I'm going to use is the e.l.f. poreless primer. I love this stuff. It's a dupe for the Tatcha Silk Canvas. I'll take this any day. It works just as good. And I just put this in this little area on my cheek. And just rub that bad boy in. And I'll put it on my nose too. And while that's drying, I'm going to put my color correcting under my eyes because they're a little blue today. So I'm taking the Fiona Styles and the Peach Corrector. I like this stuff. It cancels out my little dark circles. Cause your girl's tired. I just put it on the back of my hand, warm it up with my finger. Warm it up, and then just dab it in the area I want it. And I'll blend it out with a brush. And I'll take my e.l.f. 105 brush and just tap it out. Put more if I need some more coverage. Now foundation. Taking the True Match Super Blendable Makeup in W4 Natural Beige. I have to put this on the back of my hand. Take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light medium just to give some more coverage under my eyes, and then to brighten it up I'm going to go in with the NARS Radiant Concealer in Custard to brighten up that area. Oops. Now for the NARS concealer, I'm going to put it right in here, just to brighten up that little area. I'm going to go back in with this brush. So we're going to set it with the Hourglass, what is this called? The Veil Setting Powder. Set under those eyes. Take your sponge, look up, make sure there's no creases. Alright. Now for the fun part, we're gonna bring some life back into our face. We're gonna cream contour since I figured out how to do it, or well, it works on my face. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 50, which is Cafe. use the back of my hand because I don't have a mixing tray yet. So put it on there like that. And I'll take my Ecos tool, blending and bronzing. So what I do is blend it in like this, tap it. Yeah, my whole hand's about to be bronzy. So I'll do it like this, and then I'll go in and start tapping. Now we're going to set the cream contour with the Benefit Hoola bronzer, the big gigantic one. I don't use that brush. I use the Ecotools full palette. I like this because it's like tapered. You see how it goes up like that? And it's big because I feel like I get a big head, so it covers all the areas I need. I love this color, it's so pretty. Go ham sandwich on the forehead. Now we're going to brighten up the under eyes, and I like to use the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I take the yellow, the yellow and like the peachy color. It gives me like the perfect, the perfect brightness that I like. And once again, it might look a little dramatic, but once you put the setting spray and highlight on, it will all blend together. A good little blend before we put the highlight on. Alright, now for highlight, I'm doing beccacosmetics and Champagne Pop, my favorite highlight of all time. And I'm taking the Morphe R36, pack that bad boy on there, and go to town. It's so pretty. So pretty. Circular motions, and I like to take it up to the tail of my eyebrows because it looks cute. And it's makeup, you can do whatever you want. This is pretty. Now we're gonna set our face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I love this stuff so much. And it makes everything just blend seamlessly. It looks so pretty. You gotta shake it really good for it to like come out really weird. Alrighty, here we go. Ooh, good baby. I love that smell. We're gonna take our Patrick Ta fun. Second. So for the eyes today, we're going to use this Wet n Wild little palette. It's called the Rose in the Air. And we're going to start off with this color in the transition, in the crease. Just tap that. Then we're gonna go in with this to go under that color. And the only two colors I really use in this palette is this one and this one. That's it. Super easy, cute, brown, smoky, neutral eye. Alrighty, there's two. Then for mascara, I'm taking the Itcosmetics Superhero. I love this mascara. Love it. Love it. And now we're just going to take this to finish up the eyes. We're going to take this champagne, the champagne color right here. Right here, and just put it in the inner corner. Okay, now we're going to do the lips. I'm using the NYX lip pincer in mauve and then the soft matte cream in London. Perfect nude. For this, because yeah.